Hi, I'm Lucas. Welcome to Sunsport Marine. Come on in. We're a family-owned dealership here in Sullivan, Wisconsin, and we specialize in clean, high-quality, pre-owned boats. I'm here with Bob. He's our sales guy here at Sunsport Marine. How we doing, Bob?
Doing just great, Lucas.
Let's go. You want to come see a boat? Hop aboard. We sell everything from wake boats, jet boats, fishing boats, pontoon boats, tri-toon boats, something for everybody. Every boat that comes through Sunsport Marine is inspected, cleaned up, and made lake ready before it's even listed for sale. We don't just do all that, we make sure it is the perfect boat for you. We store boats as well, and winterize and service boats. We'll help people buy and sell their boat as well. We're boat people. We do it because we love it. We want people to actually enjoy their boat, not to stress about it. Whether you've owned a boat before or not, or don't know where to start, come to Sunsport Marine. Follow along on our socials to see all of our exciting new projects that are on the way. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you real soon.